What's up, guys? It's Sadcos Talks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at SpaceX technology. So it's been a minute since I made a video on SpaceX, but we could see clearly right here that this is definitely where we're currently at right now on SpaceX. From my previous video, I made it known to us that we are most likely going to find support around this area right here at $106, which is definitely what has happened. So does this mean that, okay, SpaceX has bottomed out? I can't really say because I obviously haven't traded SpaceX for the longest. I only traded it during its IPO on crypto exchange. So as of now, I really can't say much because even from the weekly right here, yes, it has gained strength from this level right here at $106, which is obviously good. But right now, you could see that it is actually down. The post market right now is at $117. You know, it went up roughly how many percent? It went up roughly 18%. Currently now it's around 10.77%. So, nothing really serious to me. Back to the daily right here, you could see that this is definitely where SpaceX is right now. Currently at 117. Now, the question right now is that, okay, what should we expect right now from SpaceX? So I think there are major things right now that we should be expecting. One of the things that we've kind of bottomed out around here, I would probably call this a local bottom. We've rallied, we've broken out of this resistance right here. I just placed this right here, which probably might not even be there because as of the time, this was majorly the support that we had as of that time. So I can take this away, drop come all the way down to this level and probably place another support around this level right here. So you could see clearly right here now that we've kind of found a bottom around there at $106.35. We've rallied, we've broken out of this resistance. So there could be a chance. There could just be a chance that SpaceX could end up finding support around here at $115.40 before we could probably get another rally all the way above $131 and we could rally much higher, or we could end up getting rejected from this level, dumping. Sorry about that. We could end up getting rejected from this major resistance right here at $131 and we could dump even as low as $106 or even lower. So either of these could end up playing out, which I will definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated, because left to me, SpaceX has definitely been down for the longest. So we could still see it rallying a little bit all the way to 147 and we could get rejected from there and continue our downwards movement. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from SpaceX. In terms of SpaceX as a whole, we could see it clearly right here that based on the news that I got here, SpaceX shows strong growth in its first earnings report since IPO. We could see SpaceX on Tuesday reported booming revenue and shrinking losses in its first quarterly earnings report as a publicly traded company, offering a window into its performance after executing the biggest ever initial public offering in June. Elon Musk's rocket, satellites, and AI provider reported second earning revenue of $7.8 billion and a net loss of $541 million, improving on a loss of $1 billion in the year ago period. Analysts had forecast revenue of $6.8 billion for the quarter, according to FactSet. According to FactSet, and I quote, all three of the main business units reported revenue ahead of the consensus, including space, connectivity, and AI. Market analyst Adam Crisafulli head of Vital Knowledge, said in a research note, analysts were closely watching subscriber growth for Starlink, given that the satellite division is the company's largest revenue segment. Total revenues in the connectivity unit were $4.3 billion for the quarter, surpassing FactSet analysts estimate of 3.8 billion as Starlink subscribers doubled to 12 million from 6 million in the year ago quarter. Musk touted Starlink rapid growth in a call with Wall Street analysts to discuss SpaceX financial results. It's not out of the question, and I quote from Elon Musk, it's not out of the question that at some point Starlink will deliver the majority of the world's internet, he said. The company's Starship division reported 962 million in revenue for the quarter, while its AI unit booked 2.6 billion. Musk said during the call that SpaceX expects to deliver over 1 million tons of orbit per year, while noting the figure could eventually rise to 10 million tons. And I quote, and this is a big number by normal standard, he said. And I quote, the rest of the world, I think, delivers around 300 units. Wow, that's crazy. And SpaceX IPO made Musk the company's founder and CEO into the world first trillionaire on paper. SpaceX shares could use a boost. SpaceX shares have slumped into the company's blockbuster IPO, with the stock losing almost 50% of its value after hitting an intraday high of $225.64 on the 16th of June. Despite its revenue growth, investors appeared unconvinced by SpaceX maiden quarterly readout, with the stock sinking 7% to $116.40 in after-hours trading, below IPO offer price of $135 per share. So, given the situation of things right here, like I always said, like I've been saying whenever I'm making a video on SpaceX, if SpaceX will go lower, yes, I will agree. SpaceX is liable to go lower because it is still overpriced, overvalued. But does that mean that SpaceX won't be trading above $200 in the future? I believe that SpaceX will definitely 100% be trading above $200 in the future, but I just do not think that now is the time for SpaceX to be trading around $200 plus. So without wasting much of your time, guys, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. I'll be here tomorrow with more videos. Peace out.